Hi YouTube. Today I'll talk about VI editor. VI editor is one of the most frequently used editor in Unix or Linux operating system. So if you are using Linux or any other open system softwares, you must be aware about visual editor, VI editor. Okay. So it is very nice, and if you are aware of all the features of VI editor, you can really enjoy working in VI editor. But if you don't know the basics of it, then it can be really tough in working in it. Okay, so let's go through it. I'll discuss the basic stuff, plus I'll talk about the advanced also, which you can do in the VI editor. Okay, so I have written this article also, if you see. So now I wanted to share with you a video also on this, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so let's go with an example. Okay, we'll take a file and we'll try to understand the features and all the functionalities in the VI editor. Okay, so we'll create a simple file. Okay, any test test file. Okay, yeah. So to open a file in VI editor, you have to type vi space the file name. Okay, so this is a blank file. Okay, so now if you see, I cannot type anything unless I go to the insert mode. So there are three modes in VI editor: escape mode, insert mode, and the command mode. So once you open the file, you are in escape mode. Okay, if you give colon, you go to the command mode. Here you can type any command. Okay, for example, if I give set nu, so set numbering, it will start the numbering. Okay, it will give a numbering to the lines of the file. Okay, when I press the I button, okay, I go to the insert mode. Okay, now I can type something. Okay, I can type anything. Okay, yeah, if you press enter, you go to the next line. Yeah, it is a basic tutorial on VI, right? You press enter, you go back to the next line. Okay, this is really interesting to work in VI. Okay, right? Now if you press escape, you go back to the escape mode. If you type anything, it will not work, right? Fine. Okay, so now so in the escape mode, if you type anything, that will be considered as a command. Okay, and if you go to the insert mode and if you type anything, that will be considered as the actual typed keys, right? If you go to the insert, now I'm back in the insert mode. Okay, so in VI editor, to go up and down, you should use K. If you use K, you go up. If you press J, you go down in escape mode. If you press L, you go to the right. If you press H, you go to the left. Okay, now if you press I, you go to the insert mode. You can type anything. Okay, if you press O, you go to the insert mode, but you have an option that you go to the next line and you can start typing. Okay, right? Then if you press capital O, which is shift O, you go to the insert mode, but you have an option that the typing will start in the previous line. Okay, now if you press A, right, so if you press capital A in the escape mode, you go to the end of the line and you can start typing. Okay, escape. If you press only A, you can start typing, but the cursor will go to the next letter and you can start typing. Okay, so this is all about the insert mode. How do we go to the insert mode and start typing anything? Okay, Well, if you are in escape mode, press escape to confirm that you are in escape mode. If you press 0, you go to the beginning of the line, okay, and if you press dollar, you go to the end of the line, okay, fine. So this is all about navigation. Now if let's do something else. Yeah, I'll go one by one. Okay, so what is next? Yeah, so this is all about the modes. Now we'll talk about, yeah, searching. Okay, so searching in VI editor, you should be in escape mode and press colon. If you give, I'm sorry, slash. If you give slash and then whatever word you want to search, type that word. Yeah, let's say is. Okay, so you see is, I can see that. If you press N, it will take you to the next found pattern. Okay, see, it is going to the next, and again going to the first letter, again going to the next, and going to the first letter, right? Fine. Now if you, there is one more thing in VI. Let's type some more words. Okay, this is a book on VI, how to learn working in VI. Okay, fine. So here there is one more thing in search. If you press question mark and then give VI, it will take you to the last word which is matching with the pattern, and if you press N, which is next, it will take, it is doing a backward search. You see, it is doing a backward search. It is going back, it is going in the reverse direction and searching the word. Okay, so this is the another thing about search. So forward search you should do with the slash, no found, not found. Backward search you should do with, you know, question mark. Okay, this is about searching. Okay, now let's talk about search only. Okay, so to come out of the VI editor, you should press Q. Okay, if you don't want to save the file and just want to exit. If you want to save the file and then you want to exit, you should give WQ. Okay, now my file is saved, plus I'm out of the VI. If I again go to the file, okay, let's do something else. I want to open the file, but I want to go to the first match of something which I'll give from here. So the syntax is plus, then search pattern, let's say VI, and then if you give the file name, so it will open the file, plus it will take the cursor to the first match with this pattern VI. Okay, so you see it is going to this line where this VI is there, right? Let's try it one more time. Okay, let's search with this work. Okay, let's do this search with work. Work test file. Okay, it's taking me to this fourth line where this work is there, right? Okay, fine. So this is about search. Okay, let's I'll show you something more on command. Okay, so when I type colon, I go to the command mode. Let's do something here. Okay, if I set the numbering nu, set nu to set the numbering on the file. So you see now my lines are numbered. Okay, if I don't want to do it, set no numbering, NONU, numbering is gone. Let's make it let's give it numbering so it looks better. Yeah, nice. So this is about one of the examples on command which we can do using the colon, right? Okay, what else we can do with it? Okay, what else we can do? Let's say I want to copy a few lines and paste it in the VI editor. Okay, let's say I want to copy 2 lines. Let's copy first line. Okay, let's only one line we want to copy. So you should press YY. If you press YY on any line, that line is copied. And take the cursor wherever you want to paste it. I want to paste it after this line. Just press P. That line is copied and pasted. Okay, fine. If I want to copy more than one line, then you have to take the cursor to that line, to the beginning of the content, and count the number of lines you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy from here, from 5th line to 7th line. Okay, so from here I should copy 3 lines. So I should type 3 YY. Okay, you see at the bottom, right, 3 lines yanked means 3 lines have been copied. Now I want to paste it here, so I will press P. So you see my 3 lines are pasted here, right? This is about copy paste. Now let's talk about how do I delete it. Okay, I want to delete this line. Just go to the line and press DD. That line is gone. Okay, later I came to know that okay, I don't want to delete that file. I don't want to delete that line. I want to undo. So again you can do it using command mode. Go to colon, press colon and U for undo. So if you press enter, that line is again back. Okay, so that is nothing but undo. Okay, fine. I want to delete 3 lines. Same thing. Go to the line, beginning of the line. From here I want to delete 3 lines. Press 3 and then DD. 3 lines are gone. I don't want to. I want what was deleted. I want it back. Go to command mode, U, enter. It is back. Okay, so this is about deleting, copy paste. Okay, let's say I want to delete this word. Okay, fine, you can do it. Just use delete with word, DW. That word is deleted. Okay, I want it back. Press U, colon U. Okay, if you put the cursor not on the first letter, the entire word will not be deleted. For example, if I press if I put the cursor here and I press DW, you see the entire word is not deleted. Only the following letters of the word are deleted. Okay, but if you want to delete the entire word, you have to keep the cursor at the beginning of the word. Okay, and then press DW. The word is gone. Okay, so this is about deleting a word. Okay, what else is left? Okay, let's say I want to delete, let's say I want to delete some of the lines which is in a range. Okay, let's say I want to delete the lines which are in a range. Okay, so how can I do that? So for that you have to specify the range. Okay, let's say I want to delete from 4th line to the 9th line. How can I do it? Press colon 4, 9 and then D. Right? You see that is gone. From 4 to 9 the lines are deleted. Okay, fine. Let's say okay, now you see if I press colon Q and then if I press enter, you see it is saying that some changes have happened. Okay, so do you want to save the changes or do you do not want to save the changes? So either you have to save it or you have to quit it without saving. So you have to give save with exit, or you should force exit without saving. Okay, so I want to save it and exit it, so WQ. Fine. Let's say I want to go to the 5th line directly in the file. Okay, you can give plus and then the number of the line there where you want to go. See, I am on the 5th line. To see the numbering, you should do colon set NU. Okay, now you see if I come out of this file and again if I open the file, that numbering is not persistent. if you want the numbering to be permanent, you have to do it in your vimrc file, which is in your home folder. Okay, so there is definitely a hidden file called vimrc. Here you have to specify the settings of the vim that you want to use. Let's say I want to set numbering. I'll put this line here, I'll save it, I'll reload the file. Okay, reload means you have to give dot space the file name, so the setting is reloaded. Okay, now if I open the file again, that numbering is permanent. Okay, fine. So this is all about the command now we saw. Okay, fine. Let's do something else. Let's say I want to search it. Okay, let's say I want to search something. Okay, I want to search with vi. So I found, okay, vi is here. Fine. I want to replace all the vi by something else. Okay, you can do it in command mode, %s for substitute, and then slash the what you want to search and what do you want to replace it with. I want to replace vi with vim. Fine, press enter. Okay, wherever there is vi, it has become vim. Fine. Okay, now let's press :u, undo. I don't want to do it. Okay, fine. Let's type some capital letters also. Okay, I don't see any capital letters here. Okay, let's say how, yeah, is. Okay, fine. So if you, now why I did this is I wanted to show you that if search and replace with case, considering the case, which is case sensitive or case insensitive. So I want to substitute, I want to replace all the lowercase, only the lowercase how with by bow. Okay, the how should be replaced by bow. Okay, fine. You press enter. So you see all the how has become bow, but the lowercase plus the uppercase, everything has changed. Okay, let's go to undo. I don't want to do it. Okay, now if you, let's say I want to change only the lowercase how to bow. How do I do it? Search, okay, and then replace. Yeah, so here I want to replace with bow. To make it a case sensitive, case insensitive, you have to give I. Okay, if you give I, let's see what is happening. Okay, so it is again it is ignoring the case. Okay, it is ignoring the case, and wherever that pattern is there, HOW, lowercase or uppercase, doesn't matter, it is replacing that with the new pattern. Okay, so what is next? What else we are missing? Let's see. Okay, so I was talking about the replace, search and replace. So if I give how and then I want to replace it with bow, and if I give G is for global, so everywhere it will be replaced. So if you give C, let's say I don't know, okay, it will ask you, if you give C, right, it will ask you a confirmation. Do you want to replace it with bow? Yes. Again it will ask for the next one. Yes. Yes. So everything is replaced. So if you want a confirmation, you can give a C. Fine. So this is about replace. What about, let's say I want to save this whatever content is there to a different file. Okay, I can do it with a :w. W is to write another file. I can write it to another file. Okay, so if I press like this, so this is written to a different file. I can see that another. Yeah, no, really, where did I write it? ls minus ltr. Okay, we had a basic to advanced. Yeah, this one. I'm sorry, this is the file name that I gave there while writing. So let's just see what is there inside this. Okay, the same thing which I wrote. So this is how we can write to a different file the content of a file. Okay, I want to read from another file, from the same file. Okay, let's read from the same file. So take the cursor from where you want to read it. Let's say I want to read it here from the another file. So you press :R and then give the file name another, it was I think OR. The same content from the another file is read here, right? Okay, let's say I want to, from 4th line to 10th line, I want to write to some another file. You can do it 4:10 write to some file. Let's read into some file. Let's see what is there. Let's see. We'll say, of course, we'll ask you whether you want to save it or not. Okay. So I think it was some file. You see, I'm sorry, cat some file. You see that content from 4th line to 10th line is written here. Okay. So this is about how we can read and write from a file to a file. Okay, so this is very basic, guys. I'll definitely, this is getting longer. Okay, so I'll create another video on this and we'll discuss some other stuff which is advanced or whatever is left in VI editor. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching. Keep subscribing my channels. Thanks.